Hello friends, in this video we will start with our users of DBMS architecture. This is the detailed DBMS architecture. In previous video we have seen basic structure of DBMS in which we have started with disk storage, storage manager, query processor, applications and users. But in this detailed architecture first part we are going to start to see this architecture from top to bottom. It means we will start with learning users. So users of this DBMS architecture are categorized on the basis of their activities or tasks, how they interact with database through DBMS. So they are naive users, application programmer, sophisticated users, and database administrator. Now we will start with naive users. Naive users are the persons who has little or no knowledge of DBMS. They are also called as an unsophisticated users. They are just to work on developed application to get desired output. The person who is working in the bank will basically tell us the account balance and the post withdrawal and deposits. Reservation clerks for airlines, railway, hotels and car rental companies basically check availability for a given request and make the reservation. Now we will see application programmer. Application programmer are the persons who are developers who interact with the database by means of DML queries. The most programmers are application programmers. Back-end programmers who writes code for application programs. They are computer professionals. They are especially software engineers. Now we will see sophisticated users. Sophisticated users are database developers who write SQL queries to select or insert, to delete or update the data. They do not use any application or program to request the database. They directly interact with the database by means of query language like SQL. These users will be scientists, engineers, analysts who thoroughly study SQL and DBMS to apply the concepts in their requirement. We can say this category includes designers and developers of DBMS and SQL. And the last one is database administrator. Administration and maintenance of database is taken care by database administrator. Installing and upgrading of the database servers is also done by this database administrator. They can design and implement this DBMS architecture. They can perform tuning. They can migrate database servers. They take backup and recovery. They provide security and create documentation. This is all about database administrator. So, for recap purpose, we have seen 4 types of database users. First one, naive users. Second one, application programmer. Third one, sophisticated user. And fourth one, database administrator. I hope you learn about these users of DBMS architecture. Thank you.